Good evening, my YouTube family and friends. I'd like to introduce to you this brand new thermal lunchbox I just recently received. This lunchbox is made by Pinnacle, and as you can see, it is small, it is compact, it is easy to carry, and it's extremely lightweight. It has 4 flaps, as you can see here, that opens it. And on the inside, once it comes open, you can see it is stainless steel. The lid is rubber. And that's the inside content of this lunchbox. It is not microwavable. However, it is good for on-the-go snacks or people that's practicing portion control. Me personally, I think it is better for elementary age school kids to carry little snacks and items into. But again, this is a thermal lunchbox by Pinnacle. And I highly recommend, if you're in the market for a nice lunchbox, to check this out. Thank you.